welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing our palette roulette collab with my very good friends Gloria from Beauty After 50 and Christine from Life with Christine. I will leave their channels down below in my description box. If you don't know what palette roulette is, it's where we put all of our palettes into the spin the wheel app. We spin the wheel, and whatever eyeshadow palette that it lands on, that is the one that we will do the get ready with me with. And so, hi, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jennifer. I do all things makeup. Well, almost. We will see. I am thinking of making some changes to my channel, but let's talk about that in a minute. And I do open subscription boxes, and I do talk about subjects such as mental health, and if you are into any of that or all of that, I would love it if you would hit subscribe and click that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. So let's go ahead and spin that roulette wheel and see what palette we are working with today. Today is a ColourPop day. It is the Wannabe palette. It is a 9-pan palette. This is what it looks like. It is kind of, well, it is very neutral with some neutral browns and some kind of yellow, I guess orange, yellow, what do you call it? Shimmers. Gotta find the name for them there. Okay, I think my look is just gonna be stuck to this here called To Be, Worker Bee, and BZ, and these two shimmers here called Honeycomb and Sweet Much. And I am going to do one eye on camera, one eye off, the other eye off camera, and do my makeup off camera. Okay, I'm looking at these brushes as if I am looking at them for the first time ever. Okay, I don't think I want that brush. I think I want, what brush do I want? I want this brush. Okay. Okay, going into that To Be color, I'm just going to use that up above my crease. Okay, I guess that's kind of a yellowish color. Very pretty color. So I want to float an idea to y'all while I'm sitting here doing my eye makeup. I really love makeup, and I am going to continue to do makeup on my channel as the main thing. But I want to kind of diversify my channel a little bit, and I want to see what y'all think about this. I went to school to learn cooking and baking, and I did that for like 18 years. And for a good portion of that, I ran my own business. It was a small tea room, but it was a cute little place. And I still have my recipes from, I'm gonna go into Worker Bee now. Okay, use the right brush. And when we closed, everybody was asking me, can you make a cookbook? Please, can you make a cookbook? And I was like, okay, I'll make a cookbook. I'll make a cookbook. But I never made that cookbook. I don't know why. I was just going to self-publish it and then let whoever wanted to buy it, buy it. But then I lost all the email contacts. Well, I didn't lose them. My computer crashed. I lost all my email contacts to everybody that I had known. And I get the occasional email or somebody finds me on Instagram, or they'll find my channel or something and they'll ask me, did you ever publish that cookbook? And I'm like, no, I never did. But I was thinking about, and I have other recipes too, and things that I would like to do, like a cooking series on my channel. And I would need Erin's help too to do this, where I would share those recipes with you all. And just do like a cooking series. I also put out on my community tab a poll asking if y'all would be interested in that as well. So seeing what y'all's response here would be and seeing what the response to that poll would be. I've got all kinds of recipes. I've got made from scratch recipes. I've got recipes that aren't necessarily from scratch recipes. I've got recipes with meat in them, recipes without meat in them, recipes that you can customize for yourself. I've got soups. The only thing I don't really have are a lot of hot, besides the soups, I don't have a lot of hot recipes. Although I can come up with recipes. I am just using all the wrong brushes. I can do hot recipes. They're just not in my tea room cookbook. I definitely have recipes that I use for hot recipes. Like for family meals and things like that. I'm just really interested in sharing my tea room recipes with you guys. And I want to know if you're interested. Mostly like lunch type stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, let me know down in the comments. Because I'd really kind of like to diversify my channel a little bit. Okay, I'm going in with the shimmer honeycomb. I started to do this thing where I wet my shimmers. And sometimes it works, and sometimes it doesn't. But it seems to give it a really good and really nice effect to the shimmers. I knew this all along. I just never really thought it was something that I wanted to do. Now I'm going into that Sweet Much. I'm probably going to use that for my inner corner as well. Okay, I'm going to put on some eyeliner. Okay, now let me clean this up a little bit. Okay, so that is kind of what the eye is going to look like. I am going to go and do the other eye off camera and then do my base makeup, and then I will be right back. Okay, and here is the final look. I love this palette. I am sure I have these shades somewhere in another palette, but to have them all in just one palette is really cool. This is the eye look here. To have browns and yellows together, those are that's one of my, I guess, favorite color combinations. You know, I love purples and greens, but as far as color combinations go, I really love a brown and a yellow together. For what else is on my face, I did use my Stila Black eyeliner. In my waterline, I used a ColourPop cream gel liner, and I did look at the name with my glasses on. It is in the color Sub-Zero. I used my Chanel, I almost said Chantecaille, but that's way out of my price range. Chanel Intimidable. I think one of your guys' recommendations, you just recommended a Chanel mascara, but this is the one I bought. I forgot to talk about it yesterday in my makeup roundup, but I really do like this mascara. It does volumize. It takes about 2 go rounds, but I really do like the way it comes out. As far as it does lengthen quite a bit, and it does volumize, so it does both of it. For the setting spray I was using is my NYX Bear With Me setting spray. For foundation, I was using my Kosas Revealer, which I really like. I did use some concealer under my eyes, and I have some breakouts, and I think I'm going through some hormonal issues right now. And yeah, their Revealer concealer, Oh, on my eyebrows, I used my brow styler from Benefit. I just used the powder side to make my brows look dark. And for bronzer, I use the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer and Tan Alliance. For powder, I just use my CoverGirl True Blend. For blush, I use the Benefit blush. I always have trouble saying the word blush. Blush in the shade Butterfly, which is in an orange shade, but I really like it. And my Catrice More Than Glow highlighter in the shade 030 Beyond Golden Glow. Right there. I like it a lot. And my, excuse me, and on my lips, I have the Nabla lipstick in the shade, okay, I didn't look this one up. I'm sorry, I can't read it, but I got it like in a boxy charm. But I actually brought out a lip that matches my eyes today, which I can't say that I always do. So that is everything that is on my face today. And yeah, thank you for watching this palette roulette collab. Again, go check out Christine and Gloria and see what palettes their wheels came up with for them this week. And I just want to thank you again for watching and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about cooking videos. And I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you're not, I really hope something comes along and kickstarts your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day out there. And if you're having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. Check me out on my socials down below in the description box. I am on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Just stay well until then. And, okay. I'm sorry, there's things flashing on my screen and distracting me. Okay, just stay well until then. All right, goodbye.